Hello everyone, welcome back to Shabest online tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to solve for the value of x in this logarithmic equation. And the given equation is log of x squared plus 5x to the base of 3, which is equal to log of 5x plus 1 to the base of 3. And recall one of the property of logarithm, since the bases are the same, log to base 3, log to base 3. That means these two brackets is also the same. So I'm going to equate these two brackets and solve for the value of x. This can only work when the base is the same, both the left and the right hand side of the equation. So we equate two brackets. We have x squared plus 5x, which is equal to 5x plus 1. Then the next thing, we're going to take this 5x to the left hand side, which is going to be what? X squared plus 5x. When this positive 5x cross to the other side, is going to be what? Negative 5x, which is equal to 1. And this positive 5x and negative 5x is going to cancel. So we are left with what? X squared, which is equal to 1. So this is quadratic equation. We are going to solve for the value of x, and we must have two solutions because x is raised to the power of 2. So what are we going to do? We are going to take the square root of both sides in order to eliminate this square. So we are going to have what? X squared, which is equal to 1. Then we take the square root. Also, we take the square root. And when we are taking the square root, it's going to be what? Plus or minus square root of 1. So that this square is going to cancel. This square root is going to cancel now this square. We're left with x, which is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 is the same as 1. Now be equal to positive 1, or x now be equal to negative 1. But since we have negative 1 as the value of x here, we're going to plug it back to this logarithmic equation because we cannot take the logarithmic of a negative number. When we do that, it's going to give us undefined math error. So when we plug it and we notice that any of these brackets is negative, that means that negative 1 will not satisfy the equation. So let's try. Starting from the positive 1. When we plug 1 here, 1 square is 1, plus 5 multiplied by 1 is going to give us 5. Then 1 plus 5 is going to give us 6. So let's see whether this one is going to also give us log of 6 also. When we plug in 1 here, it's going to be 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. Then plus 1 is going to give us 6. Therefore, this one satisfies the equation. But let's see negative 1. Negative 1 square is the same as 1. Then 1 plus 5 multiplied by negative 1 is going to give us negative 5. Then 1 plus negative 5 is going to give us minus 4. So this is going to be a negative number. And the logarithmic of a negative number is undefined. Therefore, x is equal to negative 1 will not satisfy this equation. So the only solution we have here is x is equal to 1. Thank you for watching, and please follow and subscribe for more videos like